Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to delete Oppo mobile fingerprint lock data. Friends, you want to delete Oppo mobile fingerprint lock data. So friends, now let's see how to delete Oppo mobile fingerprint lock data one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Oppo mobile you don't want to use fingerprint lock data, you don't want to unlock your Oppo mobile with fingerprint lock data. So friends, now let's see how to delete Oppo mobile fingerprint lock data. Unlock your phone. You have pattern lock, draw pattern, you have password, enter your password. After enter password, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone password and biometric setting. After turn on your phone password and biometric setting, so friends, you can use your lock screen password, you can use your privacy password, fingerprint lock password and face lock setting, you can use it. So friends, we will click your fingerprint lock setting. Enter your fingerprint lock password, means enter your lock screen password. You have pattern, draw pattern, you have password. Enter your password, draw your pattern. Friends, if you click here add fingerprint option setting, so you can add one more fingerprint. You can use 3, 4, 5 fingerprint like that. You can add one by one and you can use it. Friends, already I have 2 fingerprint lock, and friends, if you click here fingerprint lock 1, you want to rename, so you can rename. So friends, I will name here my fingerprint lock. Right click here, fingerprint lock will rename. Second fingerprint lock you want to rename, so you can rename your second fingerprint lock also fingerprint lock. My fingerprint lock and fingerprint lock. Friends, you want to use fingerprint on your app lock setting, so you will have to on app lock. You want to use fingerprint on your private safe password setting, so you will have to on your private safe password setting first, then you can use it. Friends, if you click here screen unlock setting, so you cannot use fingerprint lock on your lock screen password. So friends, right click here delete option, fingerprint lock will delete. Again click here, fingerprint lock will delete. Now you can unlock your Oppo mobile without fingerprint lock data. Friends, if you use your fingerprint, friends, you can see phone will not unlock. You want to unlock Oppo mobile, enter your password, draw your pattern. You can unlock Oppo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.